basically Goa is on the west coast, and most of the areas, maybe except a few these ones, cyclones usually form either in the pre-monsoon season, that's actually March, April or May, or post-monsoon season in the months of October, November or December. Sometimes even it forms actually in the month of June also. But usually we get about 5 to 6, at the most 7 cyclones. One particular year, that is 2019, we had 8 cyclones, out of which 5 Arabian Sea and 3 Bay of Bengal. In fact, Odisha is a region which gets actually the maximum number of cyclones every year. The maximum brunt of the cyclone falls on the Odisha. And in fact, in an earlier study, Dr. Unnikrishnan himself and another gentleman had actually published, where will the cyclone sit in the future also? Unfortunately, it is the Odisha coast. We in the west coast of India are relatively safer, especially Goa didn't have burned the brand, only it has gone parallel to the coast of Goa. Maybe except maybe Gujarat coast or maybe this one, we didn't have much of brand. But what happens, the convective systems Bay of Bengal നമുക്ക് പൗസ് പടുത്തല്ലോ ഈ വർഷത്തിലെ പൗസ് പൊള്ളാം നമുക്ക് 2024 actually the 125 സെറ്റിലെ പൗസ് പൊള്ളല്ലോ. So it continued. Even though the monsoon withdrew by the 15th of October, the northeast monsoon started. And the northeast monsoon mangla southeast peninsula raka melta. And each year, the maximum number of cyclones in the Bay of Bengal helps actually the northeast monsoon to become this one. And the maximum amount of rainfall during the northeast monsoon is gained by the Tamil Nadu state. So this particular cyclone is going to hit actually the Odisha coast maybe by 24th, especially in the names of Bidar-Karnika or maybe Puri and near the Sagar Island, etc. The track has been very correctly predicted by the IMT and it will hit that area and people have been evacuated.